Good morning, dear students. In this session, we will see next AWT control, that is list control. Now, list control is nothing but a control which is a compact, has a multiple options, and you can select multiple options or you can make a single selection also. For example, how list control looks like, I will show here by using a notepad window. Notepad has a format and then a font, and you can see here a font style and a size. So here this area is nothing but it is a list control. This is what a list control. This is a list control. This is a list control. Now you can see here a list control has a scroll bar also to view the items which are not viewed at a time. So by using this scroll bar, you can scroll and you can view all items in the list control. Now in this case again, a number of font is available. You can scroll and you can select one of the one of the font by using this list control. So list control is nothing but a control where multiple options are available. You can set multiple options. You can select one of the option from this control from this item, or you can make this list control as a multiple selection also. Multiple selection means what? You can select first item, second item also. As this list control is not a multiple selection, we have not activated. That's why it is not selecting multiple options at a time. But in a Java programming language, we can select multiple options at a time by using this list control. Now, how to create a list control? By using the constructor. First constructor is a list, bracket open, bracket close. Means what? This list control will create a list, create a empty list, and you can add items into this list by using add method. Second constructor is nothing but a list in bracket int number of rows. This will create a list control with a specified number of rows visible. What is the meaning of this int num rows? If you specify here 3, means what? You can add n items, but you are showing or you want to make visible only 3 items like this. For example, in this control, item 1 2 3 4 6, and after 5th 6 is available but it is not showing. Why? Because this list control had made 1 2 3 4 5 items to be visible. Means what? The visibility is what? 5. Means what? You can pass here 5 as a parameter at the time of creation of list control. So only 5 items will be get visible for the user, and if you want to view the further items, then you can use this scroll bar to view that item. And when you use first two constructor, then you can select only one of the item from this list. And the third constructor, look at here, list in bracket int number of rows, means what? The visibility for items, and comma boolean multiple select. Now here you can pass true or false. If you pass here true, means what? You are mentioning that the user can select multiple options from this list control. By using first two constructor, you are making to select only one of the option, and by using third constructor, you are specifying that you can select multiple options at a time. Now this list control has a method. First method, which is same as a choice control. This method is nothing but add. This method is used to add items into the list control, right? Now here second method, look at here, add in bracket string name. What is this? The item name, comma int index, means what? You are specifying here index for the item, in the list control. Means what? If you specify here 5, then this item will be placed at the 5th position. Third method is return type is a string. The name of method is get selected item. Get selected item. Now if user selects one of the option from the list control, and if you want to retrieve what is selected, then you can use this method. This method will return the item name. Fourth method, get selected index. This method will return the selected items index number. It will return the selected items index number. Fifth method, look at here. Now this is the array, that is the return type is what? A string array. Get selected items. Get selected items. Return type is string bracket open bracket close. This is the array. Now this method is used if you create a list control by using this constructor. Means what? Multiple selection is available. Means whenever user select multiple options and you want to retrieve what user has been selected or what user has selected multiple options, so you can use this method to retrieve the items. In the same way, if you want to retrieve the index positions of multiple selected items, then you can use this method, that is a get selected indexes, and the return type is here array of integers. Seventh one, int get item count. This method is used to count number of items available in the list control. This method is used to select to make default selection of item to be selected. So in this way you can create a list and use list methods. So directly now we will move towards practical. This is applet same which was in the previous session. Now in this case, look at here, list is the class, that is the list control. We have created two objects, OS browser, OS browser. Second line is string msg is equal to null, nothing is available, right? Now we will see here OS is equal to, now OS is nothing but it is a object of a list, new list in bracket 4 true. Now we are using here the third constructor of the list. Means what we are saying here, OS is a list control, and where you are showing the number of rows to be visible for the user is 4, and you are specifying this control to be a multiple selected, means user can select multiple options from OS list control. Next line is browser is a second object of a list is equal to new list in bracket 4 false. Now it is a false, means what? You are making this list control to be not multiple selection, means what? Single selection is available. You can select only one option from the browser list control, and this 4 is nothing but you are specifying only 4 items to be visible for the user. And if you want to want to see further items, then you can use the scroll bar available with the list control. Third line is what we are adding. Now this is the what? Adding items into the OS. Now OS is a list control. OS dot add in a bracket Windows 98 public XP. This is the first item. Second item is Windows NT 2000 item. It will be added on OS list control, then Solaris, and then Mac OS. Right. So we have added total 4 items into the OS list control. Next one, browser dot. This is the second list control. Browser dot add in bracket Netscape 3.x, 4.x, 5.x, 6.x, then Internet Explorer 4.0. So in case of browser list control, we have added 5 items, and what we are making here, 4 items will be visible. And if you want to say now fifth item, then you can use the scroll bar available with the browser list control, right? Now next what we have written here, browser.select. Now select is a method which is used to make the default selection of item. Now here we are specifying one as an index value. One index value goes to this one. One index value goes to this one, because at a 0th position 3.x is available, at first position 4.x is available, 5.x for the next, and so on. Then we have added OS list control and browser list control on the applet. And in paint method, what we have written, msg is equal to, now initially what we have made, msg is equal to null. Then we have mentioned here msg is equal to current browser. This is the string we have passed to the msg variable. And then we have appending msg plus is equal to browser dot. Now browser is the list control dot get selected item, bracket open bracket close. Now what we have selected here, the first index goes to for Netscape 4.x, and that will be displayed by using g dot drawstring msg comma 6 comma 140. So now let us try to compile this program by using javac. Name of class is applet frame.java, and use applet viewer VIEWER, name of class applet frame.java. Now you can see here the applet is available, and we have added two choice control. First one is this one is OS, and second one is a browser. Now you can see here what we have made. The first OS control is having 1 2 3 4 items, and this OS control is multiple selection. That is, multiple selection option is true for this list control. So when you click on Windows 98 XP, this will be selected. When you click on Windows NT 2000, this will be selected. When you click on a Solaris, this will be selected. So that is called as a multiple selection, and we have made it as a true. Now in the case of browser, if you select Netscape 3.x, if you select Netscape 4.x, means what, here we have made single selection only. So you can select only one option from the given. So this is called as OS list control, and this is called as a browser. OS is a multiple selection, and this is the single selection. And what is selected in the browser, that is displayed by using this method, that is a get selected item. So that item is displayed by using Netscape 4.0. So in this way you can create list control, and you can add that control on the applet as well as on the frame. Now if you observe here, we are having methods also. Now by using these methods we have added item. So at home or at your as an assignment, you can use this method also to add items into the list control at a specific index. You can use this method, we have already used in the program. You can use this method to select to display the index position of the selected item. Here you can use, or you can retrieve multiple selected items by using this method, that is a get selected items. Here is items, and here is only item. So this method will return a group of items. This method will return the group of index values, selected items index value. So in this way you can use you can create a list control, and you can use methods, right? Now hope you have understood how to create a list, how to make single selection, how to make multiple selection, and how to use methods of a list control on a applet as well as on the frame. Thank you.